guys, Saving with Shay, and I am here for my weekend Walmart haul for you guys. So listen, I don't think I'm gonna hit this bonus. Let me just say that off the back. Like, I haven't been hitting my bonuses because I feel like the deals ain't dealing. And I have a couple of y'all that are like, the deals are good. I'm so happy. I'm so happy it's good for you, but for me it's not good. And I always say, do what you want to do as far as deals, and you should never allow someone else to determine if the deals are dealing for you or not, because there are times where the deals are dealing for others and just not dealing for me, and that's okay. It's okay. All deals are not meant for everybody, and it's all based on what you need, what you want to get, and so I don't think I'm gonna hit this, but I'm gonna do my best without overspending, obviously. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button and support your girl. And what do I want to mention? Oh, I got my my P&G card, the $5 for a deal that I did. Now with these cards, what I do with them, whether it be the physical cards or whether it be the digital one or the virtual ones, I always add them to my Walmart Pay and just use them whenever I'm paying for other stuff. I'll just use them. Only thing is with the Visa ones, like if your total is more than the card limit, then it's gonna automatically decline. At least it does in my experience. And so what I will do normally is I'll do smaller transactions just to use it up. And I use these ASAP. The other thing I wanted to mention is that with the sister apps being Swagbucks, MyPoints, Inbox, and Tada, I haven't been cashing out with PayPal lately. I would say the last like 3 or 4 weeks or so. It's been super slow with processing them. And so I haven't even been doing PayPal, which kind of sucks. But at the same time, since I do shop at Walmart a lot, I've just been doing Walmart gift cards, and so I have a ton of Walmart gift cards doing it that way, but I have less PayPal, which obviously is better because you can spend that anywhere. And so other than that, you guys, nothing else that I wanted to add. We're gonna head into Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
All right, guys, so I had to do this deal. It's on the Caesar wet dog food. They are priced at $114. Now for this, I'm grabbing 10. I wound up paying $11.40 out of pocket, but then I'll get back 200 kicks for each one on Shopkick. Plus there's also 35 scan kicks as well. So get back 2,035 kicks, which is $8.14 from Shopkick. I also did $4 on ShopMe for buying 5 and $4 on Swagbucks for buying 5. And then we did hit the offer on Fetch Reward, which is, I want to say it's like spend 10, get back 3. And so it'll make all 10 free plus a $7.74. All right, guys, so I did go over this deal in my little, quickie video that I did the other day. On the Carefree, I do still have the offers available, so I'm going to go ahead and just give you a real quick recap on it. We do have 3 different offers on Ibotta for Carefree. One is 5, one is 6, and one is 7. Now this store doesn't carry the Maxi. I'll insert a picture of what they look like, but at the other store they have them like down here with the regular Maxis. And those are priced at $7.48. So what I did is I grabbed one at $7.48. I think I grabbed this one here. I got back 5 on Ibotta, 5 on ShopMe, 5 on Swagbucks. So it made that one a $7.52 moneymaker. And then I grabbed the one that's priced at $9.98. They don't have any right now. I grabbed that one, got back 7 on Ibotta, 5 on Alexa, and 850 kicks on MyPoints, which is $5.34. So it made that one a $7.36 moneymaker. I grabbed the Maxi one as well, and I did 2 on separate transactions. Those are priced at $7.48. I got back 6 for Ibotta on one receipt and $6 on Walmart Cash on the other receipt. And then we got back 5 on Tada and 5 on Inbox Dollars. So it made them both a $3.52 moneymaker for each one. This next deal is on the Bactine Max. I talked about this in our last video, I believe. I'm kind of glad I didn't do it then. But listen, So there's different ways you can do this deal. I'm gonna go ahead and grab two on separate transactions. So the first one is gonna be $6.58, getting back $2.99 on Ibotta. We'll also get back $1.50 on ShopMe and $1.50 on SpagBucks. It'll be 59 cents. The second one on a separate receipt is going to be getting back $2.99 on Walmart Rewards, $1.50 on Alexa, 250 points on My Points, which is $1.60.
And then we'll hit that offer on Fetch Reward, which is $3.50 back when you buy. I think it's when you spend. I'm not sure if it's when you spend 10 or when you buy 2. So the second one will be a $3.01 moneymaker. So total, both of them will be free plus like a $2.50 moneymaker.
I'm going to go ahead and share this deal just in case you have the offer on Fetch. I do not. I only have it on Ibotta. But these are priced at, well, you got to buy the prebiotic ones. They're priced at $4.97. I'm getting back 3 on Ibotta. Now, some of you guys have offers on Fetch. I do not have any offers for this on Fetch. So for me, it would be $197, which is a big hard pass for me. But if you have Fetch offers, it might make it a really good deal for you. Okay, guys. So this deal here got better. It's on the Dial Exfoliating and Restore, priced at $3.97. The offers on Shopkick went up to $1,000, so it's gonna make that free. Plus $1.25 back on Ibotta makes it $1.25 moneymaker, which is really cool. And then this one here is on Ibotta 2 for $1, so you can do the same deal as that one. And the limit on Shopkick is 2, so you can grab 2, which is what I'm gonna do. So, okay, so this next deal I was really excited about. It's on the Dove. So I'm going to give you 2 different ways that you can do this, or 2 different deals rather. The first is you could grab the 31 ounce. It's priced at $8.46. Now we have an offer on Shopkick, 1 for shampoo, 1 for conditioner. And then we have it on Ibotta's limit of 5. So you could buy 1 at $8.46, get back 2 on Ibotta, and then get back 1,075 kicks on Shopkick, which is $4.30. It would make it $2.06. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the smaller ones down here. These are the 20 ounce ones priced at $5.98. Now for this, you can grab 1. You'll get back 2 on Ibotta. There's also 925 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.70. So it'd make that 28 cents with a limit of 5 on Ibotta. So, and the limit on Shopkick is a limit of 3, I want to say. And so I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of each, our total of 4. I'll pay $23.98. I'll get back a total of 8 on Ibotta and 3,650 kicks on Shopkick, which is $14.60. It'll make it $1.38 for all 4 bodies. All 4 bodies, yeah. All 4 bottles, which is an awesome price. I have to double back over here. They don't have no freaking Rockstar up front, like none, like none, like. And they barely have any over here. But if you got to the last deal, big shout out to you. I want to see, I want to see a pumpkin. Let me see a pumpkin in the comments if you got to the very last deal. So look, I have the offer on Fetch Reward. It's been 24, get back $2.50. Super duper close to hitting that. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 more of these, again, priced at $1.88. You'll pay $3.76, getting back the $5 offer on through aisles. Again, can be done every other week. It runs throughout the year. And yeah. And then I'm also going to be getting back the $2.50 on Fetch. So it'll end up being a $3.74 moneymaker. And so yeah, other than that, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, guys. So here is our complete haul for you guys for today. I know it's small, I know, but I'm telling y'all, I'm only doing what's necessary. Like, I probably could have really like tried to hit my bonus on Ibotta. But this was 5 offers, and I was just like, I just couldn't make the deals work. And so this is all that we got. Everything here was a moneymaker. The back teen, though, I thought that was spend 10, get back $3.50 on Fetch. It was actually buy 2, and it had to be on the same receipt. So I didn't get back the extra $3.50 there, which is, it sucks, but it makes those like 60 cents each, which is still not necessarily bad. And I can just throw those in the first aid kit and, you know, keep it moving. As far as our Carefree inbox dollars, it said item not on receipt or something like that. Had to put a ticket in. They did give me credit, but the other three, Swagbucks, My Points, and Tada, it is still processing. Bactine is still processing on Swagbucks and My Points as well. Everything went through great on Shopmium and Alexa. And what else? I was gonna do the Caesar dog food again, but it didn't reset for me. I was gonna do it for like maybe like Alexa and like My Points, but it didn't reset for me. But that's basically it with this. Everything else worked out good. Actually, no, the Dove. I grabbed 2 shampoos, 2 conditioners. Now on Shopkick, it gave me credit for 3 conditioners and did not give me credit for the one of them, the shampoo. So I put a ticket in for that. So hopefully that will work out, because I did scan them in store and everything is scanned or whatever. I've been trying to make sure that I do scan stuff for Shopkick. Shopkick, they've been acting funny lately. And so I always make sure that I scan it, because if I don't scan it in store and then I don't get credit, then they're like, you have to scan it and da-da-da-da. And so I'm just like, okay, whatever. So I have been making sure to try to scan it in store. And so with that being said, everything you see here retails $100.32. Obviously no coupons. The tax was $6.06. And then we walk away with $31.08 from Shopkick, $15 from Aisles, $11.24 for Walmart Rewards, $10.99 from Ibotta, $10.50 from Shopmium, and $10.50 from Swagbucks, $6.94 for My Points, $6.50 for Alexa, $5.50 for Fetch, $5 from Inbox, and $5 from Tada. And last but not least was $1.85 from Brand Club, and that was for the Dial and the dog food. So we walk away with a total of $120.10 back in rebates. It makes everything you see here free, plus a $19.78 moneymaker, which is really awesome. Like I said, I probably could have gone in there and bought a bunch of stuff to absorb some of that money that we made, but I was just like, I'm not trying to do all that. If there was good deals to be done, I would have did it. Like, I wanted to do the Dial and the Dove again for sure, but they didn't reset while I was in store. And as a matter of fact, the conditioner did not reset. Actually, I take that back. The Dial didn't reset either, because I was checking. I was going to go back up there. If the Dove and Dial both had reset, I would have just gone back up there and did it, but only one reset was the Dove shampoo. And I'm not sure if that's because I didn't max it out on the first receipt. But anyways, guys, with that being said, I hope you guys are having an awesome, awesome day. Our emoji for Jojo, what was your emoji again? A banana. He don't sound so enthusiastic, huh? That's because he not. So if you make it to the end of the video, we really appreciate you watching. We want to see banana emojis in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.